Hello, hello, Mr. Wolberg here, section 6.5, the surface area of cones. Picking up where we left off last trimester on surface area. This time we're talking about our funneled shape of a cone here. Biggest thing you need to understand is the formula. There is the formula. We already know the area of a circle, pi r squared, also known as the base of the cone. And the area of the lateral surface area is going to be a little different than we're used to. But just like we did with cylinders, we have to do them in parts and then add them together at the end. So pi r squared plus pi rl, and L is the slant height of the cone. Okay? So here's our first example. Let's find the surface area of a cone, round nearest tenth. Here is obviously a cone. We have a radius of 1 here, and we have a height of 3. Well, if we just go ahead and plug it into the formula, pi r squared would be pi. 1 is our radius, so we're going to square that, and we're going to add that to pi times 1 times 3. 1 squared is just 1, so I have left over just on the left pi, and then 3 times 1 is 3 times pi is 3 pi. So I add that together, that'd be 1 pi plus 3 pi is 4 pi, and 4 times 3.14 is about 12.6. So the area of this is 12.6 square meters. Alright, a couple practice problems to finish this off here. Find the surface area of the cone. Again, reminder, your formula is pi r squared plus pi rl. This is the lateral area, this is just the circle. Notice this time there's no 2. I shouldn't put a 0 there. There's no 2 because there's only one circle in a cone. We had 2 circles for a cylinder, so we had a 2 pi r squared, but this time it's just pi r squared. So we're going to multiply pi. Our radius here is 2, so we're going to say 2 squared. We're going to add that to pi. Our radius is 2, and our length is 6. So when I solve that out, 2 squared is 4, so I'm looking at 4 pi. I'm going to add that to 12 times 6 is 12. I'm going to look at 12 pi. That equals 16 pi. So 16 pi, 16 times 3.14 is 50.24, and that would be feet squared. So that is how you go and do that. Just very similar to cylinder. Again, not the 2 on this part, and then the slightly different over here, but go ahead and just plug them in and solve it. So your mission here is number 2. I'd like you to find the surface area of that, and we'll check it tomorrow. Bye-bye.